Hello, while listening to the SkipGuide.com audio guide, you are now at the main entrance of Makadi Water World, one of the largest entertainment centers in Egypt's dazzling holiday city, Hurghada. I am delighted to accompany you as a local guide at this colorful, lively, dynamic, and exciting stop. When you lift your head and look around, you see giant colorful water slides that contrast beautifully with the warm yellow tones of the desert, and wide pools adorned with palm trees. Your ears catch the lively sounds of water rushing down high towers, the roar of the giant wave pool, children's joyful screams, and upbeat music from nearby cafes. The air combines the coolness of fresh water with the warmth of the Hurghada sun, creating a wonderful balance and offering you an oasis atmosphere hidden in the desert. The facility's modern architecture, green landscaping, and spacious sunbathing terraces draw everyone who steps into a world of great fun from the very first moment. This massive complex is not just a fun water park, it is the region's greatest symbol of Egypt's modern tourism vision and family-friendly entertainment concept. Makadi Water World is considered one of the most iconic entertainment stops on the Red Sea Riviera, with its international safety standards, eco-friendly water systems, and 50 unique water activities catering to all age groups. It is a huge attraction that brings together millions of foreign tourists, families with children, and adventure seekers from all over the world every year in a shared excitement. Until the end of the 20th century, Hurghada was a quiet little fishing village, but with major tourism investments, it transformed into one of the world's most popular holiday destinations. This giant water park, which completely changed the face of the region and brought a new breath to entertainment tourism, opened its doors to the world in 2011 to further boost family tourism. Local stories tell that the vast land where this modern park was built was once a silent plain where only desert winds blew and Bedouin caravans passed in the distance. Over time, this tremendous engineering and infrastructure investment created a wonderful living space in the heart of the desert, where water and joy come to life and modern technology meets nature. Now, please look more carefully and focused at the highest slide tower rising majestically in the center of the park, right in front of you. This area houses futuristic, winding slide designs specially designed for adrenaline enthusiasts, offering a free-fall sensation from meters high. When you look to your right, you will notice the children's pool complex, built with a giant pirate ship theme, equipped with fountains and small safe slides. To your left, in the artificial wave pool, you can see special engineering systems that recreate the natural rhythm of sea waves in pool comfort, relaxation areas resembling a wide beach, and people enjoying the water. In local traditions and modern narratives of people working in this region, great respect is always given to the refreshing, revitalizing, and cleansing power of water in the desert geography. The local people believe that the cheerful and dynamic energy of Makadi Bay instills childlike joy, inner peace, and positive life energy in every guest who comes here. Enjoying these cool waters during the hottest hours of the day is also considered a wonderful purification and relaxation ritual against the desert heat for the locals. To have a comfortable and safe day in the park, it is recommended to follow the safety rules for slides, pool depth warnings, and staff instructions. Do not forget to apply sunscreen, wear appropriate water shoes, and drink plenty of water throughout the day to protect yourself from the intense sun. We sincerely thank you for listening to the SkipGuide.com audio guide. We wish you an unforgettable, enjoyable, and wonderful day in this fun, lively, and watery oasis that will stay in your memory forever.